Look at how cool this thing is. This thing right here is a portable charger that has a fan inside, has a fan with ventilation right here and also some right here and also some on this side as well. It's a 20 watts capacity charger, portable charger with a MagSafe capability as well. Look at this. So now that's it. That's everything you need to do. And now it's charging with the 20 watts, meaning that this thing has fast charge capabilities. And by the way, you can actually use this as an output too, not only for charging, so you can actually connect other device as this thing if you need. And right here, you can read this. It's a 10,000 milliamp power charge. So this thing is super powerful. It also has the magnet right here, which I think it's super convenient, so you can take it with you on the go. The RGB lights for sure, which I think it's super awesome. And also the fan with the ventilation and the 20 watts capacity. And the USB-C output and input as well right here. This thing is awesome. Really cool one. If you have always your battery dying or something like that, or if you use your GPS while driving, this thing will save you on that. I really like it. Super cool to have. And look at this. Super awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.